Ever felt like you're playing email ping pong trying to schedule a HubSpot meeting? Back and forth, back and forth. Are you free Tuesday? How about Thursday? No, wait. Thursday doesn't work. Ugh, the struggle is real, right? Tired face. But what if I told you there's a way to bypass all that email tennis and book HubSpot meetings right from your Gmail inbox? Yep, you heard that right. It's like magic. But instead of pulling a rabbit out of a hat, you're pulling meetings onto your calendar with just a few clicks. Sparkles. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate HubSpot with Gmail and schedule meetings like a boss. We'll cover everything from setting up the integration to customizing your meeting links, and even some pro tips to streamline your workflow. By the end of this video, you'll be a scheduling wizard, ditching the email chaos and booking meetings with the efficiency of a well-oiled machine. Let's get started. Connecting HubSpot and Gmail, your first steps. First things first, we need to make sure your HubSpot and Gmail accounts are playing nicely together. Think of it like introducing two friends. You need to make the connection before the magic can happen. 1. The HubSpot sales extension. If you haven't already, head over to the Chrome Web Store and install the HubSpot sales extension. It's a free tool that's packed with features, including the meeting scheduling tool we're going to use. Think of it as your scheduling sidekick right there in your Gmail. 2. Logging in and linking. Once you've installed the extension, you'll see a little HubSpot sprocket icon in your browser. Click on it and log in with your HubSpot account. Now, the extension needs to know which Gmail account to work with. You'll be prompted to grant access. Don't worry. It's all secure. 3. Confirming the connection. To make sure everything's connected properly, compose a new email in Gmail. You should see a row of HubSpot icons at the bottom of your compose window. If they're there, you're good to go. Alright, now that your HubSpot and Gmail are best buds, let's move on to the fun part, setting up your meeting links. Creating your meeting link. Your scheduling superpower. Your meeting link is your secret weapon for effortless scheduling. It's a personalized link that you can share with anyone, allowing them to see your availability and book a time that works for both of you. No more email tag. 1. Accessing the meetings tool. In your Gmail inbox, click on the HubSpot sprocket icon, and then select Meetings. This will open up your HubSpot meeting dashboard. 2. Creating a new meeting link. Click Create Meeting Link and choose the type of meeting you want to schedule. You can have different links for different types of meetings like discovery calls, demos, or follow-ups. 3. Customizing your link. This is where you get to personalize your meeting link. Give it a clear name, set your availability, and choose the meeting duration. You can even add a location like a Zoom link or a brief description. 4. Sharing your link. Once you've created your link, you can copy it and share it anywhere, in your email signature, on your website, or even in social media posts. Pro tip: customize your meeting link URL to make it more professional and memorable. For example, instead of a random string of characters, you could use something like yourname.com/schedule. Embedding your meeting link in Gmail. Scheduling on autopilot. Now, let's take it a step further and embed your meeting link directly into your Gmail emails. This makes it super easy for people to book a meeting with you without even leaving their inbox. 1. Composing an email. Open a new email in Gmail and start writing your message as usual. 2. Inserting your meeting link. In the HubSpot icon row at the bottom of your Compose window, click the Meetings icon. Choose the meeting link you want to insert, and voila! It will appear in your email as a clickable button or a list of available times. 3. Customizing the display. You can choose how your meeting link appears in your email. Do you want to show a list of available times? Or just a simple button that says book a meeting? Experiment and see what works best for you. Pro tip: use different meeting links for different email templates. This way, you can tailor the scheduling experience to the specific context of your email. Managing your meetings. Staying organized. Now that you're a scheduling pro, you need to stay on top of your meetings. Luckily, HubSpot makes it easy to manage your bookings and keep everything organized. 1. Viewing your upcoming meetings. In your HubSpot meeting dashboard, you can see all your upcoming meetings in one place. You can filter by date, meeting type, or attendee. 2. Getting notifications and reminders. HubSpot will send you email and/or browser notifications to remind you of upcoming meetings. You can also sync your HubSpot calendar with your Google Calendar to keep everything in one place. 3. Rescheduling and canceling meetings. Need to reschedule or cancel a meeting? No problem. You can easily do it from your HubSpot meeting dashboard or directly from the meeting invitation in your Gmail inbox. Pro tips for HubSpot meeting scheduling. Level up your game. Ready to take your scheduling skills to the next level? Here are some pro tips to help you streamline your workflow and impress your prospects. Use meeting link shortening services. Make your meeting links even more concise and shareable by using a link shortening service like Bitly. Add pre-meeting questions. Gather valuable information from your prospects before your meeting by adding qualifying questions to your booking form. Integrate with video conferencing. Connect your meeting link with your preferred video conferencing tool, like Zoom or Google Meet, for seamless online meetings. Track your meeting link performance. Monitor how often your meeting links are being clicked and booked to see what's working and what's not. Use the HubSpot mobile app. Schedule and manage meetings on the go with the HubSpot mobile app.